Good morning, children. This is our mathematics class. Children, we have completed up to page 46. Now open your book at page number 47, chapter 3. Fill in the boxes by skip counting in twos. So, children, you have to write the next numbers. So, follow the previous numbers 122, then plus 2 124, plus 2 126, then plus 2 128, then 130, then 132, then again plus 2 134, and then 136. So in this way, children, you have to complete the empty boxes. यहाँ पे आपको स्किप काउंटिंग करना है, स्किप काउंटिंग इन टूज, यानी क्या, जो नंबर है जैसे कि देखो 153, इसके साथ अगर हम लोग 2 प्लस करेंगे तो पहुँचेंगे 155, देन अगेन प्लस 2 157, देन प्लस 2 159, देन plus 2 and write the next numbers. In this way, complete C and D also. Number 7. Here, children, you have to skip counting in threes. Fill in the boxes by skip counting in threes. So now 130 plus 3 133, plus 3 136, then 37 38 39 139, again plus 3 40 41 42 142, then 145, then again plus 3 ऐड करते करते जाइए, यही है स्किप काउंटिंग इन थ्रीज. यहाँ पे आपको 3 ऐड करना होगा, प्रीवियस नंबर के साथ 3 ऐड करना पड़ेगा. जैसे 145 के साथ 3 ऐड करेंगे तो 148, अगेन ऐड 3 151, ओके 151. In this way, children, complete B, C and D. Next, fill in the boxes by skip counting in 5. Now you have to add 5 with the previous number. Like 150 plus 5, 55, 155 plus 5, 160. So then 160 plus 5, 165. 165 प्लस 5 ऐड कीजिए 5 तो क्या हो जाएगा 170 प्लस 5 175, अगेन ऐड 5 180 and then 185. Okay, so in this way skip counting in fives. Complete the remaining sums. Fill in the boxes by skip counting in 10. Now you have to complete the boxes by skip counting in tens, like 50, 60, 260, 270, then 280, yes, 290, and then 300, okay, 300, then again add 10, 310, and then 320. So children, look at another one, number B, 800, 810, 820, 830, then 840, 850. आपको 10 ऐड करना है, ओके. जैसे 850 के साथ 10 ऐड करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 860, और फिर ऐड करेंगे तो क्या होगा 870. ओके, सो कंप्लीट C and D. Now, word problems. Word problems. A class has 38 students. 16 new students join the class. How many students are there in the class now? So, students 38. Right here 38. 38. Okay. Then new students right here. New students 16 is 16. Students now. Now add these two numbers. Ones, tens, you know. So 6 and 8, if you add 6 and 8, we get 14. Yes, write 4 here and add 1 with the digits of tens place. 3 and 1 4 and 1 5. So this is 54. Total number of students now 54. Write in the given boxes. Okay. In this way, children, you have to complete the sums. So first you have to read the problem carefully. क्लास में 38 स्टूडेंट्स थे, 16 न्यू स्टूडेंट्स और क्लास ज्वाइन किए, तो आपको बताया गया कि अभी स्टूडेंट्स कितने हैं, तो 38 प्लस 16 54. नाउ नंबर बी, फिशिंग बोट ए caught 33 fish, fishing boat B caught 40 fish, fishing boat C caught 23 fish. How many fish did the three boats catch in all? So A caught 33 fish. So right here 33. Then boat B 40 fish. And boat C 23 fish. Now add these three numbers. 3 plus 0, 3 plus 3, 6. 4 and 2, add 4 and 2, 6, and 3, 9. Okay, 96. So write the total number here, 9 and 6, 96. The three boats caught dash fish in all, 96. So children, complete these word problems. Note these problems in your copy. Complete this in your math copy. Okay, mathematics copy. Number D. At a fair, Raman sold 28 teddy bears, 21 toy cars, and 31 footballs. How many things did he sell in all? Children, some key words tell you that you should add here. You should add the numbers like in all, total. So these are the words that tell you that you have to add the numbers, okay, to get the total numbers. Teddy bears, number of teddy bears 28, number of toy cars 21, footballs 31. So now you have to find out total number of things he sell, okay, total number of things. That means you have to add these three numbers. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 and 8, 10. Write 0 here and carry over 1. Now 3 and 2, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 8. Total 80. Okay? 80. So write here 80. तो ऐसे करके ये मैथ्स अपने मैथ कॉपी में यहाँ पर लिखिए 28, यहाँ पे 21, यहाँ पे 31, ठीक है। मेरे यहाँ पे स्पेस थोड़ा कम था इसलिए मैंने साइड में दिखा है। आप लोग ये मैथ्स को प्रॉब्लम सम्स को कॉपी में नोट करके कंप्लीट कीजिए। ओके, सो कंप्लीट अप टू दिस पेज। थैंक यू।